Hi guys, this will be a Christmas related video. I made this kit last Christmas. It takes 3 AA batteries, or you can run it off a 5-volt supply. Now I was just thinking, I got quite a few old USB leads here. Well, this is one of them that I've cut off the ends for various reasons, mainly to pinch the wire out of them. And I was thinking I could use my power bank that I made. That's 3 LiPo batteries out of Vapes. So that adapter gives us 5-volt out, and we want 5-volt in there. I could find a suitable little plug to go in there, but I could just solder straight onto those 2 tags, minus plus, and we can run it straight off there, or at least straight off there. So I'm going to cut this, check which is positive and negative, and solder it straight on. Oh, hang on. Hang on, what have I done here? Oh gosh, have I stripped the wires all the way out? I have, haven't I? Oh dear. Oh, mind you, that might be the middle 2, which are the data pair. The outer 2 should be the positive and negative. Come on. I'm going to have to use a knife. This isn't going to do it. That one's all right. Can we get in there? Oh, I think we can. Right, I think we'll check in a minute, but I think that'll be the positive and negative, just pure luck. That's what I was saying, I've been stripping these down to get hold of the conductors for other projects. So if we hold them apart so we don't short anything out. Stick him in there. Turn the meter on. Can you see that meter? Yeah, you can. And there we go, 5 volts. So that's the negative, and that's the positive. Oh, it's not quite such a failure as I thought I was going to get then. So negative is the grey colour and positive is possibly pink. We should be able to just solder them straight on. Put a bit of tape on there or something to hold it in place. Or I suppose I could put a cable tie through there, couldn't I? Just hold it in place. And that'll do. Right. I'll do that. Soldering iron. Should be warming up nicely down there. You probably won't be able to see what I'm doing. It's a little bit tight in there. They're on. So there we go. So I'll put a cable tie around there just to hold it as a stress or strain release. On-off button has no effect now. That's obviously connected to the battery feed, and I'm bypassing it by going straight onto those 2 points. Still, that's not a problem. You can just unplug it. Do we want to be clever and go via the on-off switch? Nah, we'll just leave it like that. That's going to work. Change my mind. The battery feed goes to just there, so I can solder onto there, and then we'll have the on-off switch in series. Take that off there. Disconnect it for a second. Try that again. That's better. So we can use the on-off switch. Oh, it's got quite a sequence. So there we are. Cable tie just to hold the cable in place so it doesn't get stressed on the solder points. That on-off switch is a bit iffy. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.